Welcome to today's pre-market roundup. You're listening to Irrelon TradeWatch, and this is your 2-minute market update. GameStop. Yesterday we saw an unprecedented rally for GameStop stock in what can only be described as a monumental effort to undermine short sellers. Retail investors, like you and I, rallied together to purchase GME stock and push it to an all-time high, instigated mostly by a thread on Reddit titled Wall Street Bets. We saw the stock climb from around $75 during the open to a whopping $147 before market close. This morning, the pre-market is hovering around 250 and peaked at over 300. Elon Musk, a long-time vocal critic of short selling, also tweeted that he was getting in on purchasing GME stock to make the short sellers suffer. All of this movement puts an immense pressure on short sellers who make money when the stock falls below the price they borrowed it for. As each day passes and the stock continues to climb, large hedge funds and their underwriters who are used to manipulating markets with negative press releases and low target prices on their favourite old media networks such as CNBC and the like are losing billions of dollars and will continue to do so if this trend continues. Even worse, for a few large short sellers with active positions in GME, those positions they have open have an expiry date, and if this trend continues, by Monday the 1st of February they will be forced to close their short positions and pay back the stock at current market prices, meaning even larger market move upward. Many normal individual and casual investors who use platforms such as eToro have long had to deal with the effect that large entities like hedge funds can have on stocks they purchase. The power imbalance between the old media and the new internet age is being tested in landmark events like this. Let's talk about BNGO Bionanogenomics. Those looking for a new stock pick with a fairly low price point might want to check out Bionanogenomics. The genetic biotech firm has been making waves with the medical industry using its rDNA technology to change the world. And the stock is on the uptrend, but still at a reasonable price to get a lot of stock for not much investment. The stock opened at $4.9 at the beginning of January and is already up 7.3 as of yesterday's close. A $1,000 investment at the beginning of January would now be worth $2,491 in only 26 days. Finally, let's quickly touch on the Nasdaq 100. The Nasdaq 100 is down almost 350 points today, hovering around 11,370. The composite is often an indicator of how the overall market will do during the day, so let's hope this picks up before the close bell.